wanting to better relationship? 1. Wake up with gratitude. Hold each other for a few extra seconds before the world rushes in. 2. Share a slow moment, tea, coffee, or simply sitting together in quiet. 3. Give each other a morning compliment. It sets the tone for the whole day. 4. Do a tiny act of care. Fix the blanket, hand them water, kiss their forehead. 5. Keep phones away for the first 10 minutes. Choose each other, not the screen. 6. Plan one small thing. Look forward together even if it's later in the day. And 7. Leave home with love, not with arguments. 8. Never speak badly about your spouse or partner to others. 9. Don't stop flirting with each other, ever. 10. Keep some things just between you two. 11. Argue to solve, not to win. 12. Don't compare your marriage to anyone else. 13. Know each other's love language and use it often. 14. Speak up before resentment builds. 15. Share responsibilities, not just bills. 16. Always defend your spouse in public. 17. Respect each other's alone time. 18. Celebrate small moments, not just big ones. 19. Keep working on the relationship even when it's good. And 20. Never speak badly about your spouse.